is not just a car. It's the legendary Nissan GTR Godzilla of the streets. Listen closely as the engine roars to life. That cold start? Pure adrenaline. Every detail, from the carbon fiber spoiler to the diffuser, screams performance. The idle revs alone are enough to make your heart race. Flames and smoke hint at raw power. Inside the cabin, the tachometer climbs. Every RPM is music for car lovers. Now the GTR glides along the empty street's rear, track and view, motion blur, cinematic perfection. As it enters the tunnel, the sound amplifies. Listen to the echo. It's like a supercar concert. From the driver's POVR, PMZ's soar engine growls resonate, and the thrill is unmatched. Switching to sport mode, lights glow inside the cabin. The anticipation builds, launch control activated. Tires spin, GTR rockets forward. 0 to hero in seconds. Highway drive-by, low-angle view. That roar, it grabs your soul. Slow motion rear shot captures every heat ripple and exhaust glow. Cinematic perfection. Quad exhaust tips in focus. Flames, heat waves, and vibrations. The Godzilla roar. Split screen comparison. Stock versus modified exhaust. Hear the difference. Louder, deeper, unstoppable. GTR weaving on the empty road. Every turn, every sound, amplified drama. Close-up on tires, gripping asphalt. Slight smoke rising, engine power pulsating through. Side profile shot, reflections on the hood. Even when stilled, it's a work of art. Rear night shot, exhaust glow, trailing smoke, text appears. Legendary sound, Sunset Highway. The GTR drives away, motion blur and lens flare making every second cinematic. Final orbit, exhaust glowing, smoke trails. This is the Nissan GTR, the sound of a legend.